All right, folks, I'm here to review the Alesis keyboard here, and I am just starting out playing the keyboard, so I didn't want anything crazy, but this does a whole lot and it's pretty cool. So I'm going to try to take you through some of the things that it can do. If you look on here, so one cool thing is it has 300 different rhythms. So it'll give you the codes right here, and we'll just put it on a standard piano. So you just push them in. And you're good to go. We can go 003. You obviously have your different volumes and rhythms and chords. You can make the tempo faster or slower. You can record on this. It comes with, which I haven't used yet, but it comes with these headphones here. Also, for all you singers out there, it comes with this microphone. But I'm gonna play just a couple different things on here so you can get a feel for what it can do. And you can program different things in. But overall, man, this is just a really cool, neat little keyboard here. Easy to put together. It comes with this nice stand, which was real easy to hook up. I don't have it on there, but it has a music holder that goes back here as well. But definitely highly recommend this. It's worked out very well for us so far.